In this lesson, we are going to talk about impedance transformations. Okay, so just understand what exactly is a transformer. Okay, your transformer is a device which isolates two circuits. Okay, your two circuits are inductively coupled. Okay, they are not conductively coupled. Okay, they are not connected by a wire. Okay, so it is difficult to analyze such a circuit. What we want is a single circuit that can be easily be analyzed. Okay, so with the help of impedance transformations, we are able to convert a transformer which looks like these two isolated circuits into a single circuit. Okay, so let's see what exactly is your impedance transformation. Let's just say I have an ideal transformer over here. Okay, this is my ideal transformer. Let's just say I have a V1 over here, I have a V2 over here. Okay, I'm now going to connect a load, and let's just say this load is ZL. Right, let's assume you have a current I2 over here and you have a current I1 over here. Okay, now what is ZL? Your ZL basically is equal to V2 upon I2, right? What do you know about your V2? You know that V2 upon V1 is given by N2 upon N1. Okay, so your V1 basically is equal to what? Or let's look at it this way. Your V2 is what? Your V2 is N2 upon N1 into V1. Okay, and what do you know about your I2? You know that your I2 upon I1 is equal to N1 upon N2. Okay, so what is your I2? Your I2 therefore can be given by N1 upon N2 into I1, right? So we are going to use these two values over here. Okay, so your ZL is equal to V2, which is this, which is N2 upon N1 into V1 upon I2. Okay, you have I2 in the denominator, so basically what you have is N2 upon N1 upon I1. Okay, I have just written what is I2 inverse. Okay, your I2 inverse is N2 upon N1 upon I1. Okay, so can you write your ZL as equal to N2 upon N1 into N2 upon N1 into V1 upon I1, right? So you have N2 upon N1 the whole square into V1 upon I1. Okay, now your V1 upon I1 therefore is equal to, take this to the other side, what you have is V1 upon I1 is equal to N1 upon N2 the whole square into ZL. Okay, what is your N1 upon N2? Your N1 upon N2 is known as your turns ratio, right? It is A. So basically what you're saying is your V1 upon I1 is equal to A square into ZL. Okay, essentially your V1 upon I1 is your impedance across your primary, right? Your V1 upon I1 is the impedance as seen by your primary. Okay, therefore what you can do now is transform this inductively coupled circuit into a single conductively coupled circuit which looks like this. You have your V1 over here, you have your current I1 flowing through this circuit, and now you can add your impedance across your primary, which is, let's just say, as ZL dash, and it is equal to what? Your impedance across your primary is V1 upon I1, which is A square into ZL. Okay, so your ZL dash is equal to A square into ZL. Okay, now let's say you want to find out your I1, then all you have to do is V1 upon this guy would be your I1.